Amen. You are welcome. In the analysis again today, continuation of traditionalists and their vainglory and their pride for nothing. Who had traditionalism helped? You traditionalists, where are your institutions? Where are the schools you build for our children to learn, for the learning of the children? Nursery, primary, secondary, university, vocational schools. Where is your sciences? Where is your scientific products? Where is your hospitals? Or where are your hospitals? Where are the schools you build where people can learn and that will help their life? You are just promoting vanity. Vanity or vanity. Eh? I want you to know that God says something. Where is the name of your God? Your tradition, if it is libation pouring, sacrifice and fetish and ritualistic practices and approaches, my friend, which Christ has abolished. Christ dying, Christ entering the world and dying for humanity. He died for the whole world. He didn't die for the Jews. He didn't die for Israel. He died for the whole world. His death abolishes ceremonial sacrifices. Everything has to do ceremonial. His death abolished all ceremonial acts. And his life that he gave supersedes everything that you do, whether tradition or culture or custom. Christ died, he paid the price for our salvation, for redemption. Let me tell you, whether you like it or not, remember there's life after death, there's afterlife. You will account what you do with your life. You can pray whatever you like. God created human being, a free moral agent. You can choose what to serve, what to serve. You can choose to serve God. You can choose to practice your witch doctor, your herbalist, your soothsayer, ndimbas, anyanzun, and all those rubbish. You can choose to be, but at the end of the day, you will pay. Look at what God said to Moses. Moses said to God, and Moses said unto God, behold, when I come unto the children of Israel, and shall say unto them, the God of your fathers has sent me unto you, and they shall say to me, what is his name? What shall I say unto them? Verse 14. And God said unto Moses, I am that I am. And he said, thus shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, I am, has sent me unto you.